In this guide, you will learn how to use shapes in Clevera to create effective annotations and draw attention to key parts of your screen recordings. Okay, in this video, we're going to talk about shapes. They're perfect for annotations when you need to highlight something specific in your video. First, just find the frame where you want to place your shape. For example, right here is a great spot to highlight where a user clicked. Just click on a shape and it's immediately inserted into your frame. From there, you can move it exactly where you need it. You can also resize your shapes proportionally or disproportionately, depending on what you're trying to point out. If the default color doesn't pop against your background, you can easily change it. Here, let's switch this one to blue so it stands out more. Now, before we look at other shapes, let's talk about animations. If I play the timeline here, you'll see the shape has a loop animation applied. You can change this loop effect right here in the settings. Let's try this one and play it back to see how it looks. Nice. Or you can go with something else. This one is actually my favorite. It really draws the eye without being too distracting. Apart from animations, there are several different shapes you can use. They're all great for drawing attention to specific areas. Let's try the oval shape for this next part. Just drag it where you want and resize it. When we play this back, you can see how effectively it focuses the viewer's attention right where you want it. There are plenty of other customizations available for your shape's appearance, too. You can tweak the colors, adjust the stroke width, and even set entry and exit animations. For example, let's add a fade. As you can see, the shape now enters with a smooth animation instead of just appearing suddenly on the screen. And that's a quick look at shapes in Clevera. With these tools, you can create all kinds of professional annotations to highlight exactly what's important in your screen recordings. Great! Now you can use shapes to make your product videos more engaging and clear. Give it a try on your next recording to guide your users through your workflow.